All right, next up, we're going to switch on over. This is our first look at 2020 football. Draft coming up here in April. All these guys just went through the combine. Vanessa, good luck. 2 boxes of Leaf Ultimate Draft. 5 autographs per box. Let's see how this stuff looks. All right, we'll begin with 21 of 30, Cam Akers. Javon Kinlaw. That is 17 of 25. Joe Reed, 15 of 50. No, look at that. Chase Young, base autograph XRC. Parallels may be awarded at time of fulfillment. Possible number 2 overall pick there. From Chase Young. And nice, Jerry Jeudy. What a great box. 22 of 30. Alabama Crimson Tide. Good start. Number 2. Number 2 of 50, Jermichael Hasty. KJ Hamler. From where, Scott? We have a Kenneth Murray. 13 of 30. Zach Moss, 25 of 25. And ooh, mega pull. Tua Tagovailoa, 4 of 5. Hello. That's pretty daggone good right there. Excellent hit. Congratulations. That'll definitely be making it up to the Instagram page. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. I will get it all packed up and out.